Hello everyone, welcome to Mommy T and V YouTube channel. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Guys, in this video we are going to be making plantain egg carrots oven air fryer. I have my curry and all the ingredients you are seeing here are the ingredients I will be needing to make this plantain eggs carrot oven air fryer. I will be leaving all my ingredients in my description box. You can go and check it out. God bless you guys. Now I'm going to be breaking my eggs. After breaking all the eggs, now it's time to add all the ingredients I need to add. After adding all the ingredients I need to add to it, I will just give it a nice stir. Now it's time to add my carrots and my sliced onions. After adding my carrot and my sliced onions, I will just give it a nice stir. Now it's time to add my extra virgin oil. After giving it a nice stir, I'm going to be placing it aside. So now I'm going to rub my aluminum pan with my extra virgin oil. So now I'm going to place my ripe plantain on it. Guys, this is going to be yummy. Now it's time to place the sauce I mixed together with the egg on it. This is our plantain egg carrot oven air fryer, guys. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video to the end. Please, if you like this video, thumbs up for the video and share with your friends and family, and also subscribe to Mommy T and V YouTube channel. God bless you all. Thank you for your support. See you on my next video. Bye.